Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ani here. Today's video is on how to get Microsoft Office for completely free. I'm going to show you two different ways of doing it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before we do, guys, we are a brand new channel, so really appreciate if you can subscribe, like, comment. It just helps us out and it's completely free. Okay, so the first step you're gonna do is go to your Google Chrome and go into incognito mode. But you can actually use any operating system. So you can use Windows, you can use Google, Chrome, Linux, whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna use Chrome. So just gonna go into Chrome incognito, and then once you're there, just type in Office. Office.com. Okay. So once you open office.com, you're going to see two options. You're going to see sign in and you're going to see get office. Get office is for the marketing purpose. If you want to purchase it, then you click on get office. But for us to get it for free, you just have to click on sign in. Now, once you click sign in, you will need to have a Microsoft account. You can just use it. You can just, create one. If you don't have one, it's completely free. So I already have a Microsoft account. So I'm just going to sign in. But if you don't have one, just go ahead, pause the video, go ahead and just, create a free Microsoft account. Okay. So I'm just going to log in. And obviously ask for my password. Okay, so once you are in, this is what you're gonna see in front of you. Now this is the office.com. Okay. Once you're here, all you have to do is click on the create button, which is the plus sign. So once you click create, there you go. You're gonna see a whole different options like Word document, PowerPoint, Excel, form, quiz page. You can also use the different templates that Microsoft provides. So they have different ready-made templates like tech design and okay, but anyways, we're just gonna open a simple Microsoft Word document. So I'm just gonna click on it's asking me for my password again. So I'm just gonna enter my password. Okay. And now we should be able to see a brand new Word document. Okay, so I can name my document here. So let's just say the learning class. Okay. So my document has been named. And that's it. Now you can just start typing away. So there you go. This is your document in the cloud. Another few things that I want to show you is if you just go behind and just click on Word. So here it's actually going to show me a whole list of my current documents that I've been working on. So that's pretty handy. I can also just click on these three buttons here and I can open this in the browser. I can pin it. I can open in my desktop app. I can remove it. I can open the file location. So that's pretty good. If you also have been working on a separate document, which is on your desktop, yeah, not online, but on desktop. So let's say, just going to, let me just create a document. Now this is a document which is a offline version, right? So I'm just gonna write. Okay. This is a sample document. Just gonna save this one on my PC. I'm just gonna save it in the download section and save. Okay, so I'm just gonna close this. Now I'm gonna go back to my online office.com, and now if I want to upload the Microsoft document that I made offline, all I have to do is just click on upload and then go to my download folder and then just click this. And there you go. Now this document, which was created offline on my desktop, now has come online. So that's pretty cool feature that it has. The other thing that you can do is, let's go back. So let's say I create a new document. Okay, now this is the online version. Now I've created a new document. I'm just going to write the learning class, please subscribe. Okay, so now I can save this document on my desktop as well. So all I do is click file, and then here it's going to give me an option to save as. So once I click save as, I can download a copy. I can download as a PDF, and I can also download as a different document file. So that's pretty good. I don't really always have to save it in the cloud. I can download it on my desktop as well. So that's another cool little feature that Microsoft has. And guys, it is completely free. So all you need is basically an internet connection, and off you go. So the only main difference between the Microsoft Office that you purchase is that you can work on it offline as well. But if you have an internet connection, you don't have to buy Microsoft Office at all. You can work on Microsoft Office from the official website, and it's completely legal because this is a new facility that Microsoft provides. Okay, so another free way that I want to show you, so that's the first way that you can access. The other way of getting access to Microsoft Office is just go to your computer and go on the search button and just type in Office, and then it comes with the free Office app installed. And then once you click on that, it is pretty much the same experience as you can see that you get from the office.com, the online version. Here, the good thing about it is, here I can see a list of the documents that I was working offline as well as I was working on the cloud. So I kind of prefer to use the Office the Office app. But again, it's up to you which one you prefer to work on, because this one just gives you more documents. So I think that's pretty much it. Two amazing ways to get your Office, whichever way you prefer. No need to buy anymore, and it's got all the similar functionalities that you get when you purchase a Microsoft Office. So give it a go, guys, and let me know in the comments what you guys feel. And before you guys go, please don't forget to subscribe, like if you found this video helpful. We really appreciate it. It just helps us out. We are a brand new channel. And have a nice day, guys, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye now.